It's noon. Let's make a drink. So today, I'm making a Gin Fizz. So I don't know if you know this about me, but I really like making cocktails. Been making cocktails for about 5 or 6 years. Ever since I went to a couple of these bars, one in St. Louis and one in Evanston. I've been making my own cocktails because I really enjoy them. By the way, the bar in Evanston that you need to know about is Ward 8. And actually, since they're closed right now, because all restaurants and bars are closed, they're doing some really great things over there. They're selling bottled cocktails. So go on their website, Ward 8, find them on Facebook. Today we're making a gin drink. We're using Listoke 1777. This is a gin we picked up in Ireland. We really like it. And all you really need is lemon juice, fresh squeezed, simple syrup. This is a homemade simple syrup, and gin. So, oh, and an egg. That's the most important part. So you're gonna need 3/4 of an ounce of
2 hours later.
3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and 2 ounces of gin. So a shout out to my lyric opera stage artist family, who actually requested a video of people making their midday cocktails. We've been stuck at home, so we've been drinking around noon every day. Well, what are you gonna do? So you're gonna mix all these ingredients into a shaker, no ice, and then add the egg white, and they're gonna do something called a dry shake. And this is what creates that foam, creamy foam on top. So I just doubled all the ingredients because I'm making one for me and one for Michelle. You shake this up for about 30 seconds. Ugh, and sometimes that happens. Because I don't have a good shaker. You do a dry shake for 30 seconds.
"2,000 years later."
Now it's done. After you dry shake it, you're going to add a little bit of ice and spill everywhere. And shake that all up until the metal is really cold. Ow. That's cold! Why? Top it off with some soda water. I'm happy with that. Now I'm gonna make a drink for Florence, because I can't leave her out. I'm just gonna use the rest of that lemon and soda water. And a little bit of simple syrup, because why not? It's pretty good. Be right back with a baby. Alright, baby girl. Cheers. You wanna try it? Wanna try it? Oh. I think she likes it. Cheers, guys.